Chefsheet has a very exciting new feature. Now you can calculate caloric and nutritional information and create USDA nutritional labels for all of your Chefsheet recipes. The nutritional calculations are done in the recipe section. To use this feature, click Recipes and Reports and Nutritional Labels, then click Recipes. You can calculate nutritional information for new and existing recipes. For new recipes, first create the recipe. For an existing recipe, open the recipe and click Nutritional Label here. First, you will see all of your recipe's ingredients within a search of the USDA database below. The USDA database is very large. Within your inventory and recipes, you may use shorter item names. A pizza by the Slice restaurant may use the word sausage as an ingredient, for example, while a charcuterie restaurant may have many types of sausage with many different names. Depending on how specific your item names are, you may need to scroll through the USDA search results for a more precise match or enter a better search term here. When you find a match for an item used in multiple recipes, the first match in the first recipe you calculate will be used for all following recipes. Once you have matched all of your recipe ingredients, press Save and Continue. Now you will see the units from your recipe being matched to the USDA database units. The USDA database uses objective units such as ounces, cups, a unit of measure that is exact. You may use some subjective units like cases or jars, or some units that the USDA database does not recognize. Here you choose whether to accept the calculation or if the calculation has been recognized, or enter the amount of cups or ounces in your unit name here to match the USDA database. Push Continue and you will be asked how many servings. For most recipes, this will be one. One hamburger is a serving, for example. If you're selling a bag of cookies for retail, or perhaps a dish to share, you may have a different number of servings you wish to use. Chefsheet cannot advise anyone on what is considered a serving. There are federal and local laws which may affect how a serving is defined. If you are not sure how to define a serving, research the requirements in your area further. If you are creating a bulk recipe, or if you are using a bulk recipe, such as a sauce or a side dish like French fries that may be used in other dishes, when you added the bulk recipe to the recipe, portion was set then. Your bulk recipe may make 20 portions of French fries, so you added 1/20th of that bulk recipe to this recipe. For this reason, the bulk recipe servings have already been set. In the next step, your label will be created for your review. If you wish to make changes, you can navigate back to the previous steps. To download the label for printing, push Done. Come back to the recipe page. On a Windows PC, you can right-click your mouse to save the image to your computer. On a Mac, you can push Control while clicking the image. Collect all the images in mass, select the cookbook report from Recipe Reports, Nutritional Labels, Reports, and then Cookbook Nutritional Label Report, and you can download all of your labels as a PDF.